Hi, my name is Martin Day, CEO of Safety Media. I am pleased to re-release this series of short video clips on fire protection equipment maintenance. These short segments are designed to teach key maintenance procedures and functions of fire protection equipment while referencing Safety Media's logbooks. We hope you will appreciate this segment on fire extinguishers.
On a monthly basis, you are required to perform an inspection of fire extinguishers to ensure that they are not missing and that they appear to be in working condition from one month to another. Ensure that the mounting for the extinguisher is safely secured to the wall. Strictly for appearance, you can wipe any dust or dirt off of the extinguisher. Make sure that the extinguisher and instructions are visible. Inspect the nozzle for obstructions and examine the tank for dents or damage. Check the tamper seal to make sure that the ring has not been pulled. Check the pressure gauge to confirm that the extinguisher is properly charged. Lastly, sign the back of the inspection tag with the date and your initials to keep track of your checks. CO2 class extinguishers do not have pressure gauges and must be weighed to measure the amount of liquid carbon dioxide inside. A total extinguisher weight should be stamped on the side of the extinguisher, and a volume weight will be printed on the side label to base your weighing from. The difference between your measurement and the total extinguisher weight will determine how much liquid carbon dioxide remains inside. In your logbook, be sure to number and record the locations of all fire extinguishers within your building. Indicate the size in weight, type, and serial number of each extinguisher. Use an S, US, or NA to record the results of inspection and include any unsatisfactory remarks on the separate remarks page found immediately after the monthly report. Include your signature to finalize the report for that specific month.
We hope you found this video interesting and helpful. Please sign up for our informative monthly newsletter, check out our online store, follow us on social media, subscribe to our channel, and contact us via telephone or email anytime. Thank you for watching.